Hello and welcome to this lab, AWS Cost Explorer. As part of this lab, you're going to learn about how to navigate your way around AWS Cost Explorer, how to see reports for previous months using Cost Explorer, how to track usage and monthly bills, create monthly budget to get notification using ready-made template provided by AWS, and also idea about advanced budget creation. So let's get started. We'll start by navigating to AWS console. So this is the AWS console. This is how you will see your home page. Now you need to search here Cost Explorer. And you will see this AWS Cost Explorer. Click this. So here you can see your current month cost, daily unblended cost. You can also explore the Cost Explorer side of it. You can see the new cost and usage report. You can scroll down and see the service level breakdown of cost. You can go to reports. You can see monthly cost by service. If you have a monthly cost by service, like if you have used EC2 instance, you'll see the EC2 instance cost. If you have used S3 block storage, you'll see S3 block storage cost. Then you can go to reports again. You can explore the other reports here. Then if you want to create a budget, go to budgets. Now let's create a budget. So budget helps you to track your AWS cost and usage. Click on this create a budget. Let's use a template. This is the simplified template. Now let's use this template, monthly cost budget. Scroll down, provide a budget name. So you can see by default we are seeing here my monthly cost budget. You can change this name if you want something else. Enter your budget amount. So my budget amount is $100 per month. If my AWS cloud cost crosses $100 in a month, I'll get a notification. And in order to get a mail notification, I need to enter my email ID here in the email recipients. Now I'll click this button, create budget. So you can see my monthly cost budget has been created. You can see the budget amount and the amount used so far. Now this is a simple way of creating a budget. Now let's explore the advanced way. So let's again create a budget. This time we'll not use the simplified template. We'll use a customized advanced template. Now you can see we have budget types. We have cost budget, usage budget, saving plans budget, reservation budget. We'll select this cost budget. It's the recommended way. Next we can enter a budget name. Let's say another report. Let's say another monthly report. Now scroll down. You can see the period here. So I basically want a monthly report. So I'll select monthly. If you want a daily report, you can select daily. If you want a quarterly report, you can select quarterly. And if you want an annual report, you can select annually. And budget renewal type is recurring budget. Recurring budgets renew on the first day of every month, monthly billing period. And then you have expiring budget. Expiring monthly budget stop recurring at the end of the selected expiration month. So you can select this type. So I don't want a budget to end. So I want a recurring budget. Basically, I want to have reports of my monthly usage and the cost. If I'm crossing $100, I want to be notified. Then you can see budgeting method is fixed. Enter your budget amount. Let's say it's $100. Budget scope. So you can define a scope. So I'll select this all AWS services. and click on next. You can see here your budget, my monthly cost budget has been created. Okay, I think this is from previous. Let me click next again. Okay, now you see configure alerts. So let's click. So let's click this add an alert for a threshold. If 80% of my budget is reached, I want to be alerted on this mail ID. Now let's click next. Now you see attach actions. I don't want to attach any specific action. I'll click on next. Now you can review here budget type, budget details, alert, and any action if you've attached. Now let's click on create budget. So another budget got created. This is how you can create an advanced budget. So we have covered all the topics as part of this lab. So let's summarize. So as part of this lab, you have gained idea about how you can track your cloud cost, and it is very important to track your cloud cost if you're using your personal accounts or your company accounts. And you have also learned about how to access AWS Cost Explorer, how to navigate your way around it, and how to create simple budget reports and advanced budget reports. Thank you. If you like this content, please do like my video and subscribe to my channel.